Okay, you know you grew up in the 1970s if you remember these songs. Put your score in the comments. I'm gonna play them through really quickly. You get 1 point for every song you get right and a bonus point for every band you get right. Total of 14 points. Here we go. Okay, how'd you do? Put your score in the comments. I got 14 points. I got them all right. I knew all the songs and the bands, but of course I practiced for this thing. You know all of them, don't you? Or maybe you know the tunes, but you can't really name them. Either way, let's get to the lessons. I'm going to show you how to play them super quick. And oh yeah, I'm Steve, and I just do really fast guitar lessons on YouTube. Let's count them down. At number 7, this is Supertramp with Give a Little Bit. Very nice. So you begin here with an A7th. That's an A major with the open G string right there. To D major. A7th, D, G major, back to an A7th, G, A7th, and does it again. Give a little bit. A7th, D, G, A7th, G, A7th. Show you this part. B minor, E major. Now if you want, right when you go to E major, you can put that finger on the 2nd fret of the G string and go like this. Cool way to lead you into the E major. Then go like this. 2nd fret on the low E string, and that's a little walk up to G major. So you got an A major, with that note right there on the 3rd fret of the B string. Back to B minor. There's that E major, that little walk up to G major, and then you go C major, G major, A. And you can hang it on A and then start over. Or you can do that thing it does in the middle. It goes. You're basically holding down an A major, putting this finger on the 4th fret of the D string, 2nd fret of the G, and 3rd fret of the B string. So that one right there. And then try this. Basically take an A7th that we did it down here, but do it on the 5th fret. Like that, and map to D. So check this out. So you can go back to the A7th and back to the D major. All right, shifting gears, let's go to number 6. This is Cocaine by Eric Clapton. Very cool. So it's an E major. So you're doing this bar chord right here with the open E string, 7th fret of the A string, and 9th of the D, G, and B strings, and go. Slide it up if you can. And you can either go down a bar chord like that, exact same shape, just go down 2 frets, or go like this. Just remove that finger, and so now you got it on the 7th fret of the A all the way up like that. So, like that. Just pop it again, and go down 2 frets, and now you don't want to hit that low E string. And if you want, you can hammer it on like this, like that. So you hammered it on from the 7th to the 9th of those strings. Does that a lot. If you wanna cocaine, like that. Then it goes, it's alright, it's alright, it's alright, cocaine. So that one's really easy because you got the same shape, E major, go down 2 frets to what's a D major, but again, you don't want to hit the open E right there. And then you go down 2 more frets, that's a C major, and that's a B major right there on the 2nd fret of the A string, 4th of the D, G, and B. Cocaine. All right, this one's a little bit easier. Tom Petty's Don't Do Me Like That. Very cool. Don't Do Me Like That, G major. Do those kind of strummings, little palm muting. And you don't have to do it every time, but that open note goes like this. Open D string, hammer it onto the 2nd fret, and then open G. Now go to an F major, and if you can, release that F major and do it again. Same thing we just did a second ago, and then C major, D major, cut you down a size, G major, F major, and then it goes E minor, and what's cool is if you strum or pick from the top, like that, from the top down, girl, I love you, E minor, don't do me, C major, D major, C, D already, E minor, love you, baby, down, down, down. Now it goes into this like G7th, C, G7th, C, and then I think it goes C minor, I can't do you no harm, D major, ooh yeah, G major back there, and starts it over again. At number 4, you put a capo on the 2nd fret for Peace of Mind by Boston. What a classic, it's super fun. You play a B minor, I use my thumb like that and give it really good pop right there, really good palm muting, and then you go to a G major, but I play the G major right here with that finger on the 5th fret of the B string. Then do a D major, that's a D major, and then do an A major. The reason why I just lay my finger down flat is because then you want to do this. Same shape we used in Give a Little Bit, one of the first chords we did earlier on, where you go like this, A major, and then add the 6th fret of the D string, 5th fret of the B string, with everything else, like that. So all together. Does it again. And that cool note, I'll give you a real quick bonus, goes like this. Now, I've got a video, I think check out my pinky exercise video, where I show you how to play the whole thing, but it goes 6th fret of the D, 4th fret, open D string, and 4th fret of the A string. And I don't have time in this video to show it to y'all, but it goes. And I show a version without the capo, all that, a little bit more complicated, but and then it goes D major, C major, G, D. Does it again, D major, C, G, A. Oh yeah. B minor, G, D, A. B minor, G, D, A. B minor, G, D, A. To G. Yeah. And then it starts over again, or at the end it goes. That's an A major, open E, 4th fret of the low E, to G. That's a G major chord. So it goes A. And you're just playing the notes of a G major, like that. So it's a G major, like that. So check this out. ends up back on D major maybe, I don't know. Entering the top 3, this is one of the coolest songs of the 70s in my opinion, Dream Police by Cheap Trick. Really sweet. E major, give it a good, monster push right there, and then you can play a B major up here like I did. That's a B major down to an A major, hit the low notes, or you can do it a B major bar chord to a regular A major. The dream police. Very cool, isn't that? Palm mute, build up some tension. And I'm going to show you the chords really fast for the first part of the song. It goes like this. F sharp, you really don't play major or minor, just hit the low notes. F sharp, C sharp, D, A, back to C sharp, to G sharp, or maybe it's A flat, somebody in music theory tell me, and then you go E, B, rocking out like that. But I did an E here to a B right here. It's like a bar chord, E bar chord, to a B major right here. So check this out. Or tonight because you're E major. I got a full video on 3 Dream Police songs. Sorry, not Dream Police, Cheap Trick songs. So check that out for the whole thing. At number 2, Passage to Bangkok by Rush. Or you can do it like this, right here. So I'll show you the first way. You hit the low E string twice, open, and then go to the 12th fret, 10th, back to the 12th, back to the 10th, to the 7th, open, 8th fret of that E string, all on the same string, 7th, 8th, back to the 7th, and then the 3rd fret. That's one string. Pretty cool. Or you can do it like this. 7th fret of the A string, 5th fret. You can do some cool hammer-ons like that, like this. Pretty cool. So that was 5th to the 7th and back off to the 5th of the A string and down to the 7th fret of the low E string. Open. Now you just do what I told you before on this string to the 3rd fret right there. And then, what is it? But skip that one. Let's just do the chords. Ready? E major, same chord as cocaine. E major bar chord, open E string, 7th fret of the A, 9th fret of the D, G and B strings can go like this. Down 2 frets, back up to the E, and then go like this. Let me see how I did it. So that's one way to do it. Is when you go back up to that E, go to a B major. You can do it right there if you want to, or here. And then do a C major. G right there. So that's using all the same bar chords, but you can tell I use some F shapes like this. So I went from a B to a C to a G, and then it goes D, D major, G, D, hit that open D string a few times and go walk it down from the 3rd fret of the A string, 2nd fret, open A, and then G. You sort of go to that 2nd fret of the low E string, so isn't that cool? G, 2nd fret of the low E, G major, 2nd fret, G major, A major. Right there. Isn't that cool? And lastly, you grew up in the 70s. If you know number 1, this is Show Me the Way by Peter Frampton. Get out your talk box. of D major. Then you quickly lay that finger down on the 2nd fret of the G, B, and E strings. Then a B minor, and now you want to play a B flat to a C, back to D. And you can do it that way, or you can do what I did, play an F shape right here on the 6th fret. That's a B flat, C major, D major. And let's skip a part and get right to the chorus. It goes, I want you, B minor, show me the way, to a G major. But in between, you do these little A chords. A, I want, that's an A major, I want, B minor, A major, G, G, A, B minor, A after J, G, A major, and then back to D major with that heel talk box, wah, 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 wah. Isn't that amazing? All right, let me know how you did. Did you get 14? Did you get 3? If you got 0, maybe you grew up in the 60s or the 80s or whatever. Let me know how you did. I'd love to hear it, and I'll catch you around the channel. See you.